Alex is in position and Jess is in character on a pair of crutches as our real hustle duo demonstrate a classic cash machine crime, a cash card switch. Watch closely to see how this con takes its victims completely by surprise. This is the Mark. She's queuing up to use the cash point, but with Alex and Jess around, you know something's about to spoil her day. Jess in distress is hard to ignore, and the Mark does what most of us would do. Alex joins in helping Jess.
Oh, thank you. Oh, which you don't give me anything, that's not mine.
Might want to take your card though.
He even helps the Mark by pointing out her bank card is still in the cash point machine. Now Alex can use the cash point himself. The Mark leaves with her card and cash, and Alex completes his transaction. This all seems normal, but our Mark has just been robbed. Didn't she suspect it?
I went to the cash point, took out £10, and a lady on crutches dropped her bag. I picked up her stuff to help her, and I don't think anything happened. I got my money and my card.
We suggest that she checks her purse.
My card? Oh, that's not my card. Oh, I think it's a £10 note. That's a real £10 note, that's not my card. It's Mr. Smith. Someone's just taken my card without me knowing, basically.
It's worse than that. Let's go back and see why. The Mark removes her card in plain view. All too easy for Alex to leaf through his wallet and select a lookalike. If you missed it, here it is again. Alex is watching over the Mark's shoulder as she inputs her PIN. This is shoulder surfing. Now it's all down to timing. Alex waits for the right moment to give Jess the cue to cause a distraction. As the Mark turns to help Jess, the card pops out of the machine and Alex swaps it. Shoulder surfing allows the fraudster to use the genuine PIN with the real card, stolen using a distraction technique.
Might want to take your card though.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Sarah, thank you. Thanks.
The Mark is convinced that she has her own card back. She doesn't even check it and leaves the scene happy. Alex has the card and he knows the PIN. All he has to do now is empty the Mark's bank account. He's got the lot. Job done, and all that money has made Jess feel a lot better.